Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Acme Laser. I'm Rini. Now we are in our new showroom. Today, I will introduce our new showroom for you. And I'm very pleasant to be here to introduce our new showroom for you. Not only because you have been here from far away, but also today is a sunny day. I consider sunny day as a symbol of success and good luck. So, hope your travel in Acme will go smoothly and help you find a suitable machine for you. Okay, now let's start. Acme was established in 2016, and we have already have 10 years history. And unlike some competitors who sells all related machine in the laser cutting area, we focus on the laser tube cutting area. And for now, we are becoming the global production especially in the high power laser cutting. And for this, we have awarded the Little Giant title from our government. Okay. Look, this is our new introduction video. It was taken in 2025. To match our growing production capacity, our boss bought this place and built this new smart factory. And we invested about 500 million to this place. And until now, we have been operating smoothly for 2 months. Okay. Please look at this wall. You can see there are 3 key words in this wall. The first one is we are grounded in the customer's client. The second one is we keep continuous innovation. And the third one is we will create shared success for our clients, employees, and in our enterprise. Okay, based on our company culture, let me show you our company growth history. In 2016, Acme was born. You can see there are our 3 founders, Mr. Yu, Mr. Wei, and Mr. Gu. And at that time, our factory is less than 2,000 square meters. A little factory, yes. And year after year, our company is growing and growing. You can see in 2022, we moved to our new factory, and it's about 70,000 square meters. 3 years later, we moved to our new smart factory. And look at this photo. This is our new great photo. I'm in here. Okay, next wall. You can see this is our production generation wall. From 2016 and to 2026, we have already have 16 production generation. Also, please look at this one. This is our new production. You can see we call it the intelligent warehouse. You can see there are many layers in the warehouse. It means clients can put many pipes in every layers. So we can achieve the pipe storing, loading, cutting, and unloading in an automatic line. So you can see from the first year, we can only provide our clients a machine. But until now, we can provide our clients totally intelligent automatic line. And I want also to show you this product generation. We created the 12 kilowatts bi-wall and our static laser cutting technology. And for this, we get the title of Ring Award in 2023. Okay. I just want to say, in Acme, the innovation is our lifeblood, and we invest about 8% of our sales revenue every year to our innovation. So you can see there, we have already have 130 patents, and of them, only 16 are about our appearance patents. Others are related our technologies. And our innovation is not only in our patents, but also in our real technology. So in this wall, you can see there are 4 core technologies I want to show you. Okay, the first one is our static cutting technology. In a word, it means when cutting, the track and the pipe will remain relatively stability. Only the laser cutting head is moving and processing. So if you want to process the big and long pipe, so this technology will be very important for your machine. And the next one is the 3-track zero talent culling. You can see there are 3 tracks in the machine, right? the front one, the middle one, and the back one. The three coils can all move along the machine, so it can achieve the zero tailing cutting. Okay, the third one is our high power bevel cutting technology. You know, in China, Acme is the first company who created this technology, and we broke the foreign technology monopoly. So now we achieve to use ordinary laser head to achieve the positive and negative 45 bevel cutting. And if you want to process complex bevel cutting, this technology is important for you. Okay, the last one is our four-stroke track. Acme is also designed and produced the track by ourselves. And you can see each cylinder structure can give him stronger clamping force comparing with ordinary track. And for now, we can clamp from the 8 mm to 650 mm. And in the future, we will have bigger clamping range. Okay? You can see in this wall, there are some our production line. Laser tube cutting, and the profile cutting, and laser sheet cutting, laser winding cutting. Okay, and this one, do you remember? I just mentioned in our production line. Okay. Okay, in this wall, there are some areas we serve, some the chip manufacture, the science and education, machinery, and the furniture, steel structure, and the fitness equipment. Okay, in here, I want to share with you an interesting story. In China, there's a very famous fitness equipment manufacturer. It's DHZ. Yes, DHZ. It's our old client, and he already bought our 30 laser cutting machine in their factory. And a Brazilian customer who bought the DHZ equipment found Acme via DHZ. And finally, he bought a laser tube cutting for his own factory. So you can see, a mirror customer can help Acme to broaden our selling range. And in Acme, we have many mirror customers. Okay, next wall, please follow me. This part is about our after-sales service and our national network. We have offset service and online service, and we can support you 7 by 24 hours service. And our engineer team is very big, and everyone has rich experience. And if he goes to your company to install your machine, it means he has already 4 to 6 experience in the laser cutting area. So don't worry, he will do a good job for you. Okay, you can see the map. This is our global network. And until now, we have sold to about 70 countries in the world and nearly 6,000 machines. And in the map, you can see our main market is the European and South Africa. Of course, in the future, we will have more. Okay, there are some partners of Acme, such as the Dongfu Motor, the China Shipboard, and the Power China. And this one, DHD, I just mentioned. Okay, the last wall. This is our owner wall. We have got many owners from our national government and the provincial government. We also interviewed by our government media, such as CCTV. Okay, look at this one. The Ring Award. Do you remember? I just mentioned in our technological wall. Does anybody know how many times the Ring Award I mentioned in my introduction? No? No matter. Just a little question. 2 times. I mentioned 2 times because this technology is very important for Acme. So after listening to my introduction, I hope you have known what Acme have and what we can do for you. But I think you may be also curious about how we match our technology to our machine and how the machine works. Don't worry. Please follow me to go out to see our real factory. I will show you how the machine works, and I will let our engineer show you what's the technology magic? Okay.